Your home deserves a garage door that suits your unique character. From the moment you choose your door, to manufacturing, and to the day our experts install it, we make sure every little detail goes smoothly. Now, you can elevate your home style by matching your garage door with a Novatech entry door. From there, you can focus on what truly matters, transforming your home's facade into a statement of your vision and style. Wherever you are, our thousands of locations across North America are there to support you. With millions of garage doors sold and installed since 1983, we bring unmatched expertise to every project. We empower homeowners like you by helping you make smart, confident, and informed decisions, so you can effortlessly bring your home one step closer to perfection. With Garaga, your vision is about to come to life. We believe that your garage door is more than just an entry. It's a statement of pride, and we're committed to turning your dream home into reality.